Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by the American Gelbvieh Association. Retail prices are off to a strong start to the year as the all-fresh retail beef price has increased from $8.05 a pound in December to $8.32 a pound, with the most current data released through February. In general, higher retail prices tend to be supportive of the cattle market, especially in periods when leverage skews in favor of the cattle feeders. Retail prices are projected to continue to shift higher into the summer, with price potential expected between $8.40 and $8.50 a pound. Price dynamics at retail also serve as a reflection of consumer demand. As retail prices move higher, consumer demand will be key to monitor for signs of resistance to rising price levels. Uncertainty surrounding demand prospects have increased recently as concerns of inflation and consumer confidence sours. But current trends indicate that demand is held at exceptional levels to start the year. Not only are retail prices at record levels, both fed cattle prices and the composite cutout have maintained large premiums compared to 2024, despite production that has been relatively even with last year. Year to date, the fed market is averaging $204 per hundredweight, which is $23 per hundredweight above a year ago, and the composite cutout is averaging $321 per hundredweight, up $26 compared to last year. Steady supplies and higher prices suggest demand has remained supported through the first quarter despite increased uncertainty. Although retail prices do not correlate perfectly with cattle prices, they provide a crucial indicator of broader market trends. Strong retail pricing suggests that consumer willingness to pay remains firm, which in turn supports the entire beef supply chain. Overall, the outlook for cattle and beef markets remains positive, with retail prices reflecting strong consumer interest despite economic headwinds. Monitoring key indicators such as disposable income, inflation trends, and shifts in consumer preferences will be essential in gauging future price movements and demand sustainability. Turning to this week's markets, light trade has occurred in the north at 213 live and 335 dressed, which is steady with last week. However, no other trade has been reported at the time of recording. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.